In this video, we'll show you one of two ways to submit your teaching hours to LearnSpeed. We recommend this method for students with sporadic or sparsely scheduled classes. First, go to the People tab and select the student's name. Select the Sessions subtab. Here you'll see a log of all submitted sessions. To add a session, click the +Add button. There are 6 boxes on this screen that require information. In the Hours box, type in how long the class was. All classes should be rounded to the nearest quarter hour. Use 0.25 to indicate 15 minutes, 0.5 to indicate 30 minutes, and 0.75 to indicate 45 minutes. The first date box will be the date of the class. The second date box will be the start time. This can be done by either typing in the time or selecting it from the matrix below. The type box will require you to select the only option that appears. More often than not, you will select standard rate. If more than one option appears, contact your training coordinator. You will select the language of instruction from the drop-down menu for subject. In the location field, please indicate where class took place. The final box required for submitting hours is the attendance box. It will default to confirmed, meaning the class took place as scheduled. Other options include canceled or late cancel. Canceled means the class was canceled with proper notice and the student will not be charged for the time. Late cancel means the class was canceled without proper notice. The student will be charged for the time and you will be paid. Please note that LTC's standard cancellation policy is 48 hours. However, this may differ depending on the client, in which case your training coordinator will inform you. If you submit a class as a regular cancellation, you will need to change the class length to 0 in the hours box. In this way, the hours will not be drawn from the student's account. If there is information that you'd like to share with your training coordinator about the class, please write a note in the Admin Note box and check the Requires Attention box. Please do not select Save Draft, as drafts will not create a timesheet for payment. After you've reviewed this information for accuracy, click Submit to submit the class for payment. You can check to see if any of your session submissions were incorrectly saved as drafts by going to the My Sessions tab. If there's a green check mark under the draft column next to one of the sessions, to submit this session for payment, you will need to click the Edit link and click Submit. In the next module, we'll show you how to speed up the process of submitting class sessions by creating a recurring schedule on your calendar.